Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be installing Windows 8.1 on the Lenovo Ideapad Flex 14 API. Now you might be wondering, well Rootlick, why are you doing another video on Windows 8.1? Well, the reason I'm doing another video on Windows 8.1 is, well, pretty simple, because I just felt like it, and also because I want to see. Well, hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be installing Windows 8.1 on the Lenovo Ideapad Flex 14 API. Now you might be asking, well, why are you installing Windows 8.1 on this when it released in 2020? This laptop was released in 2020 and Windows 8.1 was released in 2012. And the reason is because I want to do a video on the Windows 10 upgrade saga. So yeah, let's get started with this. Also guys, do you like my wallpaper? It's a future video. Well, you guys already saw the video, but we got Bill Gates just staring at. Bill Gates, what are you doing, man? Okay, anyways, we're gonna be doing this on the Lenovo Ideapad Flex 14 API. This used to be my main laptop until I got this laptop right here, the Dell Inspiron 3535, which I did a video on. You can go check out the video in the description. But anyways, we're gonna be installing it on this computer with this USB flash drive. Yep, this one. So yeah, as you can see, there's actually a bunch of Easter eggs here. We got the 1TB hard drive from the Dell Inspiron 5566. We got we have two 8 gig sticks, RAM sticks from Samsung. That was the original RAM inside of that computer. Now there's 32 gig. Now there's two 16 gig sticks, which will make 32 gigs. But yeah, enough rambling. Let's just get on with this. This USB flash drive currently has Windows 8.1 on it. So what we're gonna do is we're going to plug it in to one of the USB ports on this thing. And let me just open this because I really do not want to break it, because the hinges aren't really that good on here. So I really do not want to break it. So I'll be right back. Alright, so we're back, and some things that we noticed is that the F key is, yeah, of course, just broken. We also have 3 Intel stickers now. There used to only be 2. We got this one, and this one, which is really funny and ironic because this thing does not have an Intel CPU. This thing has an AMD CPU. So obviously the first thing we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to boot into the BIOS. So we're just gonna press F2 to, boot into the BIOS. There we go. If you're wondering about the specs of this laptop, it has an AMD Ryzen 7 3700U with Radeon Vega mobile graphics, and it has 20 gigabytes of RAM. So what we're going to do is we're going to disable secure boot. And we're gonna have to disable secure boot, and we're gonna have to go into legacy, right? Where's legacy bio? Oh wait, OS defaults. OS optimization settings. This is for so this is for disabled. We're going to disable that. And of course, yes, the USB device is showing up. There's also Ubuntu there. I don't know why. Exit saving changes. We're obviously going to exit saving changes. And I will be right back after this thing boots up, because I kind of want to see which operating system this thing is even running. Enter a recovery key for this drive. Okay, so cool. Looks like the okay, cool. We're just going to format the entire. Okay, I'm pretty sure it was running Windows 11 though. Just saying. Okay, let's just press F12. F12. Yeah, I think Windows 11 does not function without literal secure boot. So we're just gonna boot from the EFI USB device. Hopefully it boots, cause that's gonna be huge. And there we go, it's booting up. We can see the spinning dots animation. That's a really good sign. There we go, Windows 8. So now we're obviously going to see if the trackpad is working. Okay, so the trackpad is not working clearly. We're gonna try to do this without using a trackpad then. Okay, we're gonna have to use the keyboard. Okay, we're gonna have to use the tab keys. Okay, there. Go. There we go. We press enter, set up a starting. I should probably get a mouse because the mouse driver is not detected. Cool, it's asking for a product key. Whoa, okay. You know what? Maybe I should go get like a mouse or something. I'll be right back after entering the product key. It's license terms time. No, I missed it. There we go. Accept license terms. What? This is the enter key, right? Yeah, what is going on? Oh gosh, no. Oh crap, that's the... Press tab again. Enter. Nope. I'm gonna go get a mouse. Be right back. Mouse acquired. This is actually a Dell mouse. It's plugged in. And it actually works. So, there we go. Now we can accept the license terms. There we go. Now we can click next. We're gonna do a custom install. We're gonna obviously go here. What do you mean? Windows cannot be installed on the drive. BitLocker. What do you mean BitLocker is on, bro? BitLocker cannot be on. Delete the partition. There we go. Now we can install it. And as you can see, it's installing now. So, well, yeah, we deleted the entire partition. So that's pretty cool. So, yeah, it's installing now. And I'll be back once we're in the out-of-box experience. So, yeah. Hopefully this goes well. And, looks like you actually can install Windows 8.1 on an NVMe drive. So, that's pretty good. That's really good to know. So, yeah. I'll see you guys when something interesting happens. Well, everyone, we're in the out-of-box experience. Yeah, I don't know if the mouse is actually gonna work, but you know, let's go with this one. Let's type in, I don't know, upgrade saga. There we go, upgrade saga. Next. Wait. Good, they're off. Next. Get on. No. Microsoft, what are you doing? Microsoft, what are you doing, man? Come on. Don't keep. Microsoft. Okay. Time to create a user account. Be right back. Finalizing your settings. We're setting things up for you. You can get new apps in the store. Of course, you can't get new apps in the store now. Let's start. Wow, that was really fast. And there we go. We're in Windows 8.1. And, yeah, we can open up the start menu. Guys, look, we got Skype. Skype is getting shut down in May, so pretty interesting to, you know, have Skype in here. Okay, I don't care. Okay, no, I don't want to do this. No, please. Okay, anyway, Skype is, no one cares about Skype. Of course, we do have the shortcuts. Is it detecting the touchscreen? Okay, that's not good. It's not detecting the touchscreen because this thing does have a touchscreen. Is it detecting the mouse now? No. So we need an actual USB mouse connected. So that is not good. That is not good at all. Internet Explorer. Oh, come on. We don't need Internet Explorer here. Okay, so as you can see, you've already seen me take a look at Windows 8.1. Oh my gosh, it's so small now. How do you, oh, okay. You click this and it just becomes really small. What on earth? And you do that. Let's just go to the desktop here. And yeah, we just got Windows 8.1 installed. Pretty cool. Let's see how let's see how we're doing in Task Manager. Skype is still running, and okay, let's do more details. And then we're gonna go to performance. As you can see, our CPU usage is like 3% actually. We're not even doing that bad. We are not doing bad at all. You can see the AMD Ryzen 7 3700U is not even struggling. We have 20 gigabytes of RAM, as you can see right there. We're only using we're not even using 1 gig. We're using 1.1 gigs. So yeah. Now the disk is actually not that much being used right now. You can see it is an M.2 SSD. It's an M.2 SSD, okay? And for some reason we don't have Wi-Fi. We have Bluetooth though. We don't even have Ethernet. Yeah, you can see the network card was not detected. Network. No connections were available. It detects the battery. That's good. It's charging. 47 plugged in. This one obviously won't automatically install the drivers, of course. But let's just change the wallpaper and then we'll, end off the video. So let's just go into personalizing. What is going on with control panel? Control panel. There we go. Let's go into. It still says Harmony, but we're gonna go with this one because that's what we did with the Dell. Save changes. There we go. There we go. Let's open up WinVer too. So we'll go to window key R and we'll run WinVer. And there we go. Yeah, also don't mind the bird in the background. My walls are doing something really weird. But yeah, we got Windows 8.1 running on the Lenovo Ideapad Flex 14 API. So that's really cool, and now I can finally start the Windows 10 upgrade saga. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.